Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. We're working with subtraction equations and we're going to actually isolate a variable. We're going to solve for a variable in this next equation. So let's erase this information. And let's say you're given the equation y minus 23 is equal to 39. Okay, so there are a few steps you want to follow when solving these subtraction equations. Your overall goal is to isolate this variable. But step one is to locate the variable. Well, the variable y, it's right here. Step two is to actually isolate it. So how do I undo subtraction of 23? Well, I've got to do the inverse operation. The inverse operation is addition, and the inverse of subtraction of 23 would be addition of 23. I'm just going to change colors. And let's add 23 to this side of the equation. So again, the first step is to locate the variable. The second step is to think, how do I isolate it? The third step is to actually do the inverse operation. Well, the inverse operation is addition of 23. All right, the next step, step 4, is if I do it to this side, I've got to do it to the other side. So keep the equation balanced is step 4. I'm going to add 23 to this side. Now subtraction of 23 and addition of 23 will cancel out. And I'm left with y is equal to, well, 39 plus 23 will give a value of 62. But I'm not done. I can't box this yet. I've got to check my answer. So I'm going to take 62 and I'm going to substitute it back in to the original equation for y. So let's rewrite this equation with 62 substituted in for y. So now I have 62 minus 23, and all I'm doing is rewriting this equation. I'm not determining if 62 minus 23 is this value yet. I'm just rewriting this equation. Okay, in my next step, I'm saying this is equal to, well, right now I'm saying it's equal to whatever this value is on the right-hand side of the equation. So I'm going to bring 39 down. I want to be real clear there. I'm not saying 62 minus 23 is equal to 39 yet. I still have to check my work. I've got to find out what 62 minus 23 is. So I'm going to actually calculate that over here. So 62 minus 23. Well, I can't subtract 2 minus 3, so I'm going to borrow from 6. I have 5 left over. Now I have 12 over here. 12 minus 3 will give a value of 9, and 5 minus 2 gives a value of 39. Well, I can see this is the same value as over here in the equation, but I'm still going to rewrite everything. I want it to look nice and neat. So 39 is equal to 39, and this checks out. From here I'm going to write the solution to the equation, to this original equation, and that solution is y is equal to 62. So I'm going to just rewrite that here. Y is equal to 62. And I can box that answer up.